Best car interior detailers restore cleanliness, remove stains, protect surfaces, and give your vehicle a fresh, like new appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best car interior detailers for a fresh look that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The All-in-One CAR Interior Cleaner, SPI 22016, is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining a pristine vehicle interior. Trusted by car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike, this versatile formula works seamlessly on leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass, delivering a fresh, showroom-quality finish. Its gentle yet effective action lifts dirt, dust, body oils, and grime from dashboards, door panels, seats, trim, and navigation screens without fading or damaging surfaces. Beyond cleaning, it provides a protective layer that resists fingerprints, dust, and everyday wear, keeping interiors looking naturally vibrant. Application is effortless, just spray and wipe, eliminating the need for rinsing or extra buffing, making it perfect for quick touch-ups or complete detailing sessions. The result is a factory-fresh, OEM-style shine that's never greasy or slippery. Its versatility extends beyond vehicles, safely refreshing surfaces in homes, offices, or dorms, from desks to countertops. A reliable, all-purpose cleaner for a consistently polished, inviting environment. Now our second product is Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner. The Meguiar's Quick Interior Cleaner is a premium solution for anyone looking to maintain a spotless, protected car interior. Designed to safely clean all surfaces, plastic, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal, and even LCD or navigation screens, its gentle, high lubricity formula lifts dust, dirt, grime, and spills efficiently while restoring the surface's original look. Beyond cleaning, it delivers lasting protection with sun-blocking agents that prevent fading, cracking, and drying, preserving interiors against everyday wear. The convenient spray bottle allows fast, hassle-free application, ideal for quick touch-ups or thorough detailing. Its improved deep cleaning formula enhances surfaces with a dark, rich shine without leaving any greasy residue, ensuring a clean, polished finish every time. With over 125 years of industry leadership, Meguiar's combines professional-grade expertise with DIY accessibility, making this cleaner a trusted choice for car enthusiasts and casual users alike. Experience the perfect blend of effective cleaning, durable protection, and an inviting, like-new interior appearance. Our third product is Armor All Protectant. The Armor All Car Interior Cleaner Pack is a comprehensive solution for keeping your vehicle spotless and protected. This value pack includes 30-count canisters of cleaning wipes, protectant wipes, and glass wipes, making it an all-in-one toolkit for maintaining every surface inside your car. The protectant wipes safely clean and shine vinyl, rubber, plastic, trim, and dashboards while guarding against UV damage, fading, and aging, leaving a subtle, non-greasy finish. Cleaning wipes tackle tough dirt, dust, grime, and stubborn smudges from sunscreen, insect repellent, and everyday spills on dashboards, carpets, vinyl, and fabric surfaces. For windows, mirrors, tinted glass, and technology screens, the glass wipes efficiently remove road dirt, fingerprints, and insects, improving visibility and clarity. All wipes are lint-free and pre-moistened, ensuring a smooth, streak-free application. Perfect for quick touch-ups or on-the-go detailing, this pack provides convenience, protection, and a clean, polished interior, making it ideal for vehicle owners, commuters, and rideshare drivers who value a fresh, well-maintained car interior. Now number 4, Car God's Iris Custom Color Light. The Iris 3-in-1 Car Paint Treatment is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to restore, enhance, and protect your vehicle's paintwork. Its advanced formula contains tiny blue pigments that effectively bring back faded colors, revitalizing your car's original vibrancy and making the paint look fresh and polished. Beyond color restoration, the inclusion of carnauba wax provides a protective, hydrophobic layer that repels water and dirt, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer while offering long-lasting protection against environmental elements. Fine cleaning minerals work gently yet effectively to remove stubborn stains, oxidation, blemishes, and light scratches, ensuring a smooth, flawless finish. The result is not only a restored and protected paint surface but also an impressive deep gloss shine that highlights every curve and detail of your vehicle. Easy to apply and versatile, Iris 3-in-1 delivers professional-grade results, making it an essential product for car enthusiasts who want vibrant, protected, and showroom-quality paint every time. And our last choice is Car Guys Plastic Restorer. The Car Guys Plastic and Trim Restorer is a game-changer for vehicle owners seeking long-lasting, professional-grade results. Unlike typical restorers that fade within days, this formula renews, seals, and protects interior and exterior surfaces for several months, keeping plastics and trims looking fresh and vibrant. Its advanced water-repellent properties ensure that rain or moisture won't leave unsightly streaks, maintaining a flawless appearance no matter the weather. Unlike greasy, oil-based products that stay wet and ruin towels, this restorer dries completely to the touch, leaving a clean, natural finish without mess. Designed with cutting-edge science and high-quality US-made equipment, every bottle delivers consistent, reliable results for enthusiasts and casual users alike. Beyond quality, Car Guys prioritizes customer satisfaction, offering real support to ensure every user is happy with their purchase. Durable, streak-free, and mess-free, this plastic and trim restorer is the ultimate solution for keeping your vehicle's surfaces protected, polished, and pristine for months at a time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.